Hi, I'm Lauren on 38, and today I'm hosting an open house at my new listing 6436 Kylito Circle in Crestview. Now let's go check out why 6436 Kylito Circle is the home for you. Now this is probably about 30 to 40 minutes from Eglin Air Force Base and the beaches of Navarre, Fort Walton Beach, close access to the Mid-Bay Bridge leading you to Destin and the beaches of Walton County. There's also shops and restaurants close by in Crestview. One thing that is extremely special about this property is its location and lot size. Now there's no HOA here, which is fantastic. The generous lot size on over half an acre, fully fenced backyard with room for a pool, and the best thing, you can have fresh eggs anytime you want. It also comes fully equipped with a chicken coop, a rooster, several hens, and fresh eggs. This lot also has no neighbors on the left side of the property if you're facing the home. The backyard's very spacious, with the master off to the left side, closest to the garage and laundry, and backdoor access to the back porch. It's a 4-bed, 2-bath, over 1,900 square foot single family home. And this property is in impeccable condition. It was built in 2022, has been wonderfully maintained by the sellers. It has plenty of upgrades. The sellers have put about 15 grand into this property since they've owned it in 2022. Open floor plan with a spacious 2-car garage, a huge driveway, beautiful sidewalk right in front of the property where you can walk down the neighborhood, plenty of space here, a huge front and backyard. Open floor plan is ideal for entertaining with the kitchen overlooking the living area and back porch where you could entertain family, a cookout, and plenty of space. Seamless flow between the kitchen, living, and dining areas once you walk into the home. You'll notice the openness and plenty of natural lighting. Stainless steel appliances, matte black Delta faucets, ceramic farmhouse sink, and sleek gray cabinets with soft closed drawers and doors. There's also easy access to essential amenities such as grocery stores, schools, bank, the public library, and the post office close by. Now, some of the cellar upgrades you'll notice once you enter the home are the laundry room and mud table. You'll see once you step into the home, especially if you have children, this is a great area for them to play, learn, especially if you're homeschooling them. Such a nicely prepared space by the seller. So you'll notice the beautiful privacy fence in the backyard, as well as a full reverse osmosis water system. You can have the best clean water throughout the whole house. Not to mention, like I said, the chicken coop, complete with a rooster, hens, and fresh eggs every day. Thanks for joining me today on my exclusive tour of 6436 Kylito Circle in Crestview. I'm Lauren on 38. If you know anyone relocating to the area, please reach out to me. I'll share any information on this gorgeous property. If you'd like to live in a spacious, over half an acre lot, fully fenced backyard with a chicken coop, no HOA, a 4-bed, 2-bath, over 1,900 square foot home, within a 40-minute drive to the beaches and Eglin Air Force Base, please reach out to me. I'm a military and relocation specialist, and I'd love to assist you with making this your home.